Spoon?
Mashed potato, broccoli, and asparagus.
Cheap wine. Where's your glass of cheap wine? She finished her wine already?
She finished her wine. That one you don't need a spoon, baby. You need to pick it up. This one you need to pick it up. Okay, very good.
There, now it's crustified, honey.
You want mommy's help? Want mommy's help? I know. No, you can't be left-handed. Put it on the right. Bobby, put it on the right. This one. This one. No.
You want me to do your plate first?
Sure. Okay. Go ahead. Use it. Very good, baby. Scoop it. Somebody loves potato. I know. That one you need to pick up. Remember? Very good. You need to pick it up.
Well, now it's over there, honey.
She's putting in her potatoes. Alright, that's smart. Okay.
It's over now. You might want some sauce.
Oh, what are you doing? There's nothing in there. See, it's easier with your right. See? I know, but it's easier with your right. Oh, that's too big. Made a mess.